Hello, my name is Angel Lawrence Dean. I am from Fairfield, California. I am a special ed teacher and an RSP teacher for middle school. I'm teaching 6th and 8th grade. I have been teaching for 17 years in special education, catering mild to moderate and severe cases. These are children with ASDs or autism spectrum disorder, with comorbidities like cerebral palsies, mental retardation, specific learning disabilities, and physical disabilities. I am very satisfied and I've learned a lot from this course and my personal journey. I'm lucky to be a part of this subject because it opens a lot of knowledge and strategies that I still need to be or to have to be a better educator. I have a lot of bucket list left. First of all, I want to finish my master's on time. I have my travel goals, which I dream of going to Europe to go on soul searching probably. And finally, in the next 5 years, I want to make my own institution or a little school for children with ASD, which I will provide their individual needs and collaborate more with specialists. Thank you.